I could follow your words so easily. Also, like a lot of colors. It was a beautiful trip. First, I saw the colors in my body coming up, and then when we were flying, it was just like when a star is born and you see the explosion and all the lights, and in the end I could see myself like on a beach with all these lights, and in the end the sunset, and the sunset was still this explosion of the stars, and it was amazing. Felt very calm, like on the beach with the feet in the water, and I could sit there, and there was also another person like hugging me. It was very, very beautiful.